Needed are the Airlive SA-102, some wires and a screwdriver. When opening your power socket, please be careful of the live power. Normally this should be either the brown or red wire. After opening the switch, please use a power meter or screwdriver with power measure function to check which wire is live. After you know this, turn off the mains power. Connect one extra wire to the live wire. Connect two extra wires to the N, neutral, wire. Now connect the wires the Airlive In-Wall Switch. N, neutral, is connected to the N on the in-wall switch. White an example. Live is connected to the L on the in-wall switch. Brown an example. Connect an extra wire to the Airlive In-Wall Switch. Yellow an example. Now connect the two wires to your power socket. Connect the neutral wire to the neutral side and the live wire, yellow an example, to the live side. Now turn the mains power back. Airlive In-Wall Switch will turn on and red LED will blink. When you cannot include the in-wall switch to the Airlive Smart Life Plus app or the in-wall switch does not blink, push the button 3 times in fast succession. After the in-wall switch has been added correctly, turn off the main power again. And put all the wires in the in-wall switch in the box. Now turn on the mains power again. You can use the app to control the light or any other electric device which is plugged into the power socket.